With the African Nations Championship Gen group stages are coming thick and fast, Bafana Bafana coach Molefi Ntseki says his technical team faces a race against time to ensure the players are fresh and ready for Friday's decisive encounter against Niger. Bafana Bafana boosted their knockout stage hopes with the hard-fought 2-1 win over Guinea in Kampala on Monday, courtesy of goals from Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder Neo Maema and free agent Thabiso Kutumela. But the victory came at a physical cost. Ntseki stated that it was a tough game. They made us run a lot. Defensively, we covered around 12 kilometers, which means our recovery mechanism must kick in immediately. The physical and conditioning coach, along with the medical team, will be working hard over the next 3 days to ensure the players are fresher and focused. Ntseki described the Guinea match as one of the high intensity and pressure, particularly after his side broke the deadlock. He said, "I still have to catch my breath because of how difficult the game was. The most important thing was to get the 3 points and stay in contention. Guinea came at us strongly after we scored the first goal, which tested our defensive organization. The first 20 minutes were good for us, but in football, once you score, you have to deal with critical phases where the opposition throws everything at you. The result leaves Bafana Bafana on 4 points, easing some of the pressure ahead of the Niger clash. And that this win gives us confidence and belief that we are on the right track. If we had dropped points today, we would have been under huge pressure. Friday's match is still very important. We can't afford to let our guard down." With recovery a priority, Bafana Bafana will be hoping that fresh legs and renewed energy will help them to take the next step toward the last 16. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.